Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can auto-size a collection list in Webflow, so let's get started. Auto-sizing a collection list helps your content adapt dynamically without needing to manually resize items. First, select the collection list you want to auto-size. In the Element Settings panel, make sure the collection list wrapper is set to a flexible layout, either flex or grid, depending on your design. If you're using Flex, adjust the alignment and distribution settings so that items wrap and grow naturally based on their content. For grid layouts, set rows or columns to auto or use fractional units FR, allowing each collection item to expand or shrink automatically. You can also tweak the padding and margin on collection items to maintain consistent spacing while keeping the layout responsive. Preview your page to ensure each item resizes properly based on its content, giving your collection list a professional, adaptive look across all screen sizes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.